Hello guys, Orchid here and welcome to another video. Welcome to the origin video. So I have like 3,000 Mythic Forge that I want to forge today. You guys like look at this. I all the 3,000 was like 20k points. Look at these guys. You're going for 64k, 47. What the hell are these guys even like buying these stamina from? So bizarre to even consider the fact that they are just going ham on an artifact material. They are not even that in game yet. They are not in game, but they are just insane. What the heck? So, anyways, so as for the artifacts, uh, what artifacts am I looking for? Of course, I'm looking for another Spirit Siphon. I have one that is maxed out, but I need another one. My Wailing Skull's not maxed out. I need to max that. Tear Twilight, I need to max mine. It's level 3 or 4, I guess. I want to max out a Sharpshooter Crest. I want to max my Frigid Queen. It's really not maxed out yet. I've since maxed. Euphoric Orb, I need to max it. So these are the top uh, that I want. Spirit Siphon, Wailing Skull, Dear Twilight, Bridget playing with Farquhar. I wouldn't mind getting some Golden Scarab or Bloodborne Signet or Lunacy Visor. I wouldn't mind. And this actually is really good for Guild War guys. So you want to have a maxed out Thea Ball. It's really good. So without further ado, let's just get started. Oh my gosh, 5 mythic, but they are trash. Oh, Astral Obelisk is kind of fun. Yeah, I can use it, but the rest are just bad. Okay, a good start. Okay, block 4 seconds, good. Bad. Right there, I have my maxed out, so I don't know. Okay, okay, Fireball is good. Golden Scarab is good. But I need a fucking Wailing Skull, bro. Like, at least give me one. Another Bastion Ring, I wouldn't mind. Yeah, bomb. Okay, one Wailing Skull, please. Just one. Gosh. Golden Scarab. This is terrible, guys. This is terrible. What the fuck? Enough already with the Tia Ballman Bastion rings. Enough. What the fuck? It's just so stupid, guys. It's just so stupid. Imagine 3k points and not getting even one Wailing Skull. One Tear Twilight. That is just BS. That is just BS. Not even a Frigid Fame. That is just trash. That is just trash, guys. I don't know. Let me show guys also how I cleanse these shits. So, of course, you sell all these, all these. Definitely gotta keep it for some reason. All these are sold. Just keep one uh, Lucky Legacy. All these are just sell. Samsara I have maxed out. So just keep one. All these northern shit to sell. You just sell. You're essentially selling everything actually. Every just keep these. Title. Yeah, I guess so. One scarf, I think. Yeah, that's it. Another 2,000 points. Very good. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the bad luck that I got, and that tells you why you don't just go on market material if you are really, really end game. Like this is end game farm. There's no point in you like early mid game farming the hell out of it. It's just terrible, aren't you guys? Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you.